Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about while loop in JavaScript. Here you can see I have created while loop.js and I have sourced it in script, I mean in HTML file, okay, so that I can actually run it. So I want to show you what is while loop. Let's say I want to print 1 to 100. So I can say let number is equal to 1 and I want to print from 100. So what can I say? Either I can actually console dot not close console dot log and I can say 100 times, okay, number, and then I have to set up one more variable, okay. So I need to set up 100 variable, right? Let's say I want to print from 1 to 100, so I have to set up 100 variables here, right? And I have to console.log I have to console it for 100 times, right? But I can actually do this using while loop, just single 3 line of code, and then it will actually print me 100 number. So I'll say while and I'll say number is smaller than or equal to 100, and I want to say console.log the number, number, okay, and I need to increment it so that every single time number value change, okay. So I have to say plus plus. Right, here you can see from 1 to 100, so it's showing from 1 to 100, right? Just 3 line of code. So this is the reason actually we need to use loop, and while loop is the easiest one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.